Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English listening practice video. This session is designed for those of you at the B1 level of English learning. Today, I want to talk about shopping. Shopping is an activity that most of us do regularly, whether it's for groceries, clothes, or other items we need or want. It is not just a necessity, but also a way to relax and enjoy ourselves. There are many different types of shopping, each serving a specific purpose in our daily lives. Grocery shopping, for example, is something we need to do to buy food and household items. Many people go to supermarkets or local markets once or twice a week to stock up on essentials. It's important to make a shopping list to ensure we don't forget anything we need, especially when managing a household. Clothes shopping is another common type of shopping that many people enjoy. Whether we're buying new clothes, shoes, or accessories, shopping for clothes can be fun and exciting, especially when there are sales or special offers. For some, it's more than just purchasing what they need. It's also a way to express personal style and keep up with the latest fashion trends. Some people enjoy going to shopping malls, where they can browse through different stores, try on clothes, and find the best deals. In recent years, online shopping has become incredibly popular. With just a few clicks, we can buy almost anything we need from the comfort of our homes. Online shopping is convenient because it saves time and often provides a wider variety of products than physical stores. For example, you can shop for items from different countries without ever leaving your house. It's also easy to compare prices across different websites to find the best deals. However, it is important to be careful and buy from trustworthy websites to avoid scams and ensure the quality of the products. One of the biggest advantages of online shopping is that it's available 24/7. You don't have to wait for a store to open. You can shop whenever it's convenient for you, whether it's early in the morning or late at night. This is especially helpful for people with busy schedules or those who live far from shopping centers. Additionally, online shopping often allows you to read reviews from other customers, which can help you make more informed purchasing decisions. Shopping malls are also popular places to shop. They offer a wide range of stores, restaurants, and entertainment options all in one place. People often go to shopping malls not only to buy things, but also to spend time with family and friends, watch movies, and eat out. Shopping malls are often designed to be more than just shopping destinations. They are also places where people can socialize, relax, and enjoy their free time. Many shopping malls have a variety of activities for visitors, such as play areas for children, arcades, and even indoor amusement parks. This makes shopping more enjoyable, especially for families with kids. Some malls also host events like fashion shows, live music, or seasonal celebrations, making them lively places to visit. While shopping can be enjoyable, it's important to shop wisely. It's easy to spend more money than we planned, especially when there are attractive discounts and promotions. Marketers are skilled at creating offers that are hard to resist, such as buy one, get one free, or limited time discounts. These offers can make us feel like we're getting a great deal, but it's important to consider whether we really need the items before making a purchase. Another aspect of shopping that many people experience is retail therapy, where shopping is used as a way to feel better when we're stressed, sad, or bored. While buying something new can give us a temporary boost in mood, it's important to be aware of our spending habits and not rely on shopping as the only way to cope with negative emotions. Making a budget and sticking to it can help us avoid overspending. Before going shopping, it's a good idea to decide how much you're willing to spend and then only take that amount with you. This can help you avoid impulse buys and keep your finances under control. Also, when you see something you want to buy, take a moment to think about whether you really need it or if it's just an impulse. In conclusion, shopping is a part of our daily lives that can be both practical and enjoyable. By shopping wisely, making informed decisions, and being aware of our spending habits, we can make our shopping experiences more meaningful and beneficial. Now, I'm going to ask you 2 questions about today's video. Write your answers in a comment down below. 1. What are some benefits of online shopping mentioned in the video? 2. How can creating a budget help you shop more wisely? That's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time.